Checking if your YouTube channel is shadow banned or has a problem is very, very important. A lot of people complain about not getting views, YouTube not recommending their videos, and if they are monetized, not getting enough revenue. It is very important for you to check if your channel is shadow banned, and if it is shadow banned, it is very important for you to also learn how to come out of that particular shadow ban so that your videos and your content can start doing well. It is very, very challenging for somebody to get into Shadowban because you put in all the work, a lot of work to make content, and at the end of the day, you will not be getting the views, you will not be getting the recommendation by YouTube, and you will not be getting revenue if you are monetized because of Shadowban. Shadowban is not a good place to be. I have experienced it, and I can tell you that it is not a good place to be. So a subscriber reached out to me and she was asking how she can know if she is shadow banned. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check to know if your channel is shadow banned. So pay attention to the things I'm about to share with you in this video. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amugo's Concept and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time tuning in, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. There are several reasons why your channel can get shadow banned, but in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the two important things that small YouTubers usually do to get their channel shadow banned. The first one is going against YouTube guidelines. You know, if you want to go far in this YouTube street, you want to really make money on this YouTube street, the first thing I would advise you to do as a new YouTuber is to go and study YouTube guidelines and know the things that you should not do as a YouTuber, because if you go against YouTube guidelines, you might get your channel shadow banned. I have experienced it. I posted the content and YouTube flagged it down as a sensitive content and my channel got shadow banned. I was really discouraged. Shadow ban is not a good place to be. Then the second thing that can get your channel shadow banned is posting randomly. If you want your channel to go far, you need to stick to a particular niche. This will help the algorithm understand what your channel is about, who they should push your content to. If you post randomly, even your viewers, your subscribers, they will not know what to expect from you. For example, if someone sees an entertainment gist on your channel and the next time they come, they are seeing educational niche, apartment store, and the next time they come, they are seeing how to roast corn, how to cook fried rice, you know, they will not want to come back to your channel. Next time when they want an information regarding that particular thing, they will go to a channel that is focused on a particular thing and learn one or two from there. So posting randomly is another way for your channel to get shadow banned, because when people are not clicking to watch the content you post, YouTube will assume that people are not interested in the content that you upload and they will not push it. And on this YouTube streets, I have said it countless times that it is not guesswork. You need to have a strategy. You need to be focused. You need to know what you are here to do. I learned this the hard way and I don't want you to learn it. When I started this channel, I posted entertainment, I posted lifestyle, I posted so many things, and you know, some of this content gave me view. Like I've had a video in this channel that went viral and got me over 30,000 views. But you know, that is not what I want to do in this channel. You know, by the time I finally discovered what I want to do on my channel and started doing them, the algorithm has left me, and some of the subscribers I got posting all those random things, they are not interested in what I want to do now. So if you're a new YouTuber that is just starting and you're watching this particular video, you need to learn from my mistake and focus on one niche. It will really help your channel to get more views, recommendation, and go far. Now, those are the things that can possibly get your channel shadow banned. So I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways for you to know if your channel is shadow banned. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go incognito. And if you don't know how to go incognito, I'm going to show you, because incognito is when you go incognito on your channel, it simply means that you'll be seeing all your history will be gone. You will not have history of your channel. you're going to be seeing things on YouTube like a visitor. Do you understand? So that is what it means to go incognito. So you're going to go incognito. That's the first thing you need to do. And the second thing that you need to do is you are going to be searching your content. Like, go to your videos, copy the title. See the way I'll copy the title of my video. I'm already incognito right now, so I will copy my title, this particular title, then I will post it on the YouTube search bar, so to see if it is going to pop up. So then I will scroll. So if you scroll to like you scroll to 15 to 5, 10 to 15 videos and your videos are not popping up, it simply means that your channel is shadow banned. Okay, because if the channel is not shadow banned and you're setting your title exactly the way it is shown on your content, it is definitely supposed to show here. So if it's not showing, it means that your channel is shadow banned. Then the second way for you to know, the third way for you to check if your channel is shadow banned is if your videos don't get the YouTube recommendation, you don't get browse features on your YouTube, you don't get up next, your video does not pop up next. It's another way for you to know that your channel is shadow banned. So if you have checked these 3 ways that I showed you and you see that you went incognito and you put your titles, it didn't come up, and YouTube is not recommending your videos, your video browse feature is not featured on your videos, YouTube recommendation is not, just know that your channel is shadow banned. So what you need to do is to focus on a particular niche and stop posting randomly. Also, post consistently. You need to be consistent, like have a posting time. Check through your analytics and know when to post your videos. Don't just post any time of the day. I have a video on my channel. You can check this particular video to know the right time for you to post your videos. Okay, you need to be organized, okay, so that the algorithm will know that this person is consistent. And also study YouTube guideline. This is what I would tell you. Study YouTube guidelines. It is very important for you. Just take out a time. It will not take you so much time. Study that guideline. YouTube guideline is everywhere. Like if you enter somebody's live stream, you will see community guideline there. It is there. Or you go to your YouTube studio, or you go to YouTube app, and you study their guidelines so that you don't break any of the rules. Do you understand? If you do these things, you will definitely come out of Shadowban and you will start enjoying your channel again. So if you are currently on Shadowban, I will advise you to go and do these things I have said in this video. Okay, don't give up on your YouTube channel. I know how hard it can be to get into Shadowban. Don't give up. You will definitely come out of it and you will definitely get your channel monetized. Okay, I hope you got value from this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next one.